Hi, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Today we're going to talk about the 10 reasons of why you should not become a mobile mechanic. So let's get to it. Number one, it's very hard. You have to have discipline. If you can't take the cold, or the customers are hurting your little feelings, or you're having a little issue out in the field, this is not for you because you got to think on your feet, period. Number two, it's very confusing. You need to know, should I become an LLC, sole proprietor, corporation? Where do I get my EIN at? Where do I get my business license at? What is the insurance I need? What kind of vehicle? If that is completely confusing to you, you should ask for help. If you do not ask for help, especially in this type of business, you're not an island. You need to ask for help, period. Number three, you're not going to get respect. There is a terrible stigma on mobile mechanics. They're on drugs. They don't know what they're doing. They're just in it for the weekend or whatever the case may be. With us, we actually are an LLC. Our vehicles pull up. We are literally an LLC, which speaks for itself. We have our uniforms. We print everything out. We have the diagnosing machines. And most of the mechanics are going to pull up don't even have a business license, and everything is so basic. They might even ask you to borrow some of your tools. Number four, which goes to number three, the stigma itself is that mobile mechanics are lazy and they don't have any knowledge whatsoever. And they're just out here just to make some money to, pay for whatever drugs or habits or whatever the case may be. Number five, weather. With us, we literally have to look at the weather hour by hour. If it's going to be projecting to rain on and off, we just cannot in any shape or way do the job because it's not good for our tools. It's not good for the customers. It's not good for our health. Unfortunately, no one cares. Just the person who's going to be doing the work, which is the mobile mechanic. And yes, Weather Channel and Wavy TV10 is my best friend. Number six, there is no backup. You just can't call somebody. A lot of times when I'm in a situation and I can't get one of my coworkers to help me, I'm in the situation. I have to think directly on my feet, and that's just the way it is. And I have all data, I have Google, whatever. I need to rely on my knowledge, and I have to have some kind of basic skills to get me somewhere. If I don't even know how to crank a wrench, that's a terrible thing. And you'd be surprised that people come over using hammers and stuff that they should not be doing. Number six, customers. Customers do not care about you. They might sit there, smile on your face, but at the end of the day, all they care about is getting their vehicle fixed. And once you understand that, whatever they say should really roll off your skin, because at the end of the day, whatever they're saying to you is only a reflection on themselves. You are there to do a job. You're not a therapist. You're not there to listen to a sad sob story or whatever the case may be. You're there to fix the vehicle, be professional, and move on, period. You have customers who are nothing but scammers. You got customers who complain about everything on purpose. You got customers who want you to work on their junk and want to hold you responsible and call you for every single solitary thing. And you have to have boundaries to let them know this is unacceptable behavior. I'm a professional. Number eight, safety. In a shop, you're in a shop. As a mobile mechanic, we're coming to your territory. We're coming to your apartment, to your house, to the side of the road, or whatever the case may be. You have to always be wary, look over your shoulders. You have to literally look at the customers, how they're talking, how they're acting, what they're saying, their body gesture, everything. I study a person within 5 minutes. I can figure out what kind of person you are and if I'm going to be able to deal with you or not. And there are some customers who are completely just unrealistic and difficult, and that's just how they like to do things in life. But this is a business. You control the business. Number nine, you wear your heart. Sometimes you reach single moms. Sometimes you reach elderly people. Sometimes you reach handicapped people. You have to use your wits. Are they telling you this just to get some kind of discount? Are they just venting? Are they manipulating you, or whatever the case may be? You still have to understand business is business. And if you choose to give them a discount, that'll be your choice. If they ask you for a discount, you automatically say no unless they are a veteran police officer, firefighter, or someone like that. But someone who just blankly asking for one like they're entitled, the answer is absolutely no. And you will literally see what kind of person you are when you say no. Last but not least, knowledge. I had somebody ask me literally, what's so good about you? Why can't you just go to YouTube? And I wanted to laugh at this person because I've been doing it since 1992 in the military and also in the civilian sector. And my knowledge can't be matched on YouTube. If that be the case, I can go be a surgeon or whatever I want to be. Unfortunately, I'm the one who fixed their vehicle and made their vehicle a lot better in longevity. But they don't understand all the knowledge you got to put through this, and they don't think you know anything. You think you're just stupid, and they want to tell you about somebody else how it should be done, or how YouTube said, or how my cousin, or how about here, take this third-party phone call and listen to them. They're a master mechanic. My thing is, if you know this so much, why am I even here? Point blank. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, hit that bell button, and I will keep rolling these videos out, and I will put out a video of why you should be a mobile mechanic like I have been for years and making excellent money. Have a great day, and remember, you are awesome. There is no competition because you are awesome.